clearer. Look. There you go. Samsung S24 Ultra. It's super nice, guys. Hello, Macdo. Uy. Gusto ko maki-zoom. So it's so beautiful, guys. It's worth it. 79,000 pesos na lang from 82,000. So 13,000 pesos off. Okay? And then there's a free earbuds live na worth 8,000 pesos pag binili mo, pero free na siya. That's Mandani Bay. Hello, Mandani Bay. Huh? Mandani Bay. Uy, ibang klase siya pag ano, oh, super zoom. So this one is the box. This is the box of the Samsung S24 Ultra. Again, from 82,000 pesos naging 70. Ay, hindi. From 92 pala, sorry. From 92,000 pesos down to 79,000 pesos. So there's a 13,000 pesos discount. Amazing, right? Plus, there's a free earbuds live which cost 8,000 pesos. Pero free na siya nung binili ko to. Today lang sila nag-price drop, guys. So, yesterday, this was still 92,000. So, swerte dito. Charot lang. And then, I bought a adapter para sa charger. This cost 1,300 pesos. So far, okay naman yung camera. Naka-lights on ako sa car. And I did not change anything yet on the settings of the camera. So, yung back camera, ito yung original settings when I bought this one earlier. I did not change anything yet. So, super ganda niya. It's worth it. Bagay siya, pang vlog. Or, yun, picture, videos. And then, yung size ng phone is, I like it. Kasi, siya ba? Rectangle man lahat ng camera, but I mean ng phone, pero I like the grip. Yung pag hinawakan mo siya, maganda siya ba? Maganda yung grasp pag hinold mo yung phone itself ng Samsung S24 Ultra. And I haven't checked anything aside from the camera. So far this is my review. I like the camera. I like everything about it. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.